Everyone knows how Apple struggles with AI, but now one AI firm has just come out swinging in defense of Apple's position. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. Perplexity CEO Aravind Srinivas appeared in this week an AI podcast broadcast on YouTube, saying that iPhone is actually not getting disrupted by AI at all, and said the more AI works better, the iPhone essentially becomes your digital passport. He explained how iPhone stores many things, like your wallets and bank cards, your health records, and your precious photos. It also lets you stay in touch with people through messages and FaceTime calls, and said all these are things that are truly personal to you, which have no connection to AI at all. The iPhone performs a wide variety of roles that will not be replaced or impacted by AI, no matter how good it gets, and that could help it survive long into the future. And when asked if Apple's combination of strong privacy controls and excellent silicone chips gives it a strong competitive edge in terms of AI, he said that it's better for your privacy to keep them on iCloud than to feed them into an AI algorithm. But still, the impact of AI cannot be ignored, since much of what a phone can do today, like search on the internet, create images, or draw up documents, can be performed by AI. In the future, we might prefer those devices that offer these tasks, but many AI devices like the Humane AI Pin and the Rabbit R1 have failed spectacularly, while iPhone sales continue to go from strength to strength. So maybe Apple doesn't have too much to worry about for now. Many companies are putting out products that are more powerful or offer more functionality than Apple Intelligence. But still, Apple has its own strengths that could be valuable in the years to come. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.